need to get that to read. Guys, I'm going to read you what I wrote about my cat.
So you made it. Kira made it.
I'm not going to read the poem because I'm writing a different poem.
Okay.
So this is called Zaja's Profile. And then in brackets it says Zaja, my favourite cat Zaja. Food variety, and Zaja and the types are Tabby. Her name's Zaja. Her birthday's on the 20th of February. She was found on Seaside Road in Eastbourne. And then she's from Raystead. Her eyes are green. Her colours are black, brown, beige. And she has a beige toe and a white chin. So that's all about her. I'm just going to write a story about her. And there's other cats in it, like Pumpkin and Biscuit and Toto, obviously. Hi, Nibbles. No, bring Nibbles here, Mummy. I want to see her. Hello.
She's asleep.
Yeah, let me play.
Babad ko to sa tubig eh. Baon na ni Kira. Kape-kape. Kainin ko muna si Kira para makapag-wash ako. Ito lang yung pares ko sa kape. Bukas mag-grocery shopping ako bukas kasi wala na talagang laman yung ano namin fridge. Kahit yung ano namin freezer. Kailangan ko na talaga mag-grocery. Baka pupunta ako mamaya sa Morrison parang pang mamayang gabi lang. Tapos tomorrow, Sabado or maybe Sunday, mag-ano ako food shopping kami ni Dave. Doon sa Sainsbury's. Kape muna ako guys and I'll talk to you in a bit. Bugas muna tayo. Para ba akong nilalamig? Hindi naman malamig. Maganda yung panahon. Hindi nakaalis na. Mga 10 minutes ago. May work ako today. Doon lang naman ako sa akin. Sa chicks. Kahapon doon ako sa card shop.
Hi guys, I'm gonna go on my field trip now. So bye.
Nakaalis na si Kira kanina pa. 9:21 na. Sa 11:15 pa naman ako papasok. So linis muna tayo. Para may magawa tayo bago tayo papasok sa work. I-charge ko siya dito para mamaya or bukas ready na ulit yan. Okay, let's get ready. At least may nagawa tayo today, no, bago tayo papasok sa work. So, ano pa ba yung gusto kong gawin? Magpunas ako doon sa sala. Everyday talaga ako nagpupunas dito. Believe me or not. Everyday talaga. Ito yung gamit kong panglinis. Oh. Dito. How to maintain... Ano ba yung title ng vlog na to? Kasi everyday talaga ako naglilinis. Or maybe how to maintain nice and tidy home. Char. Everyday talaga ako nag-vacuum. Grabe talaga yung kaibahan pag everyday mo siya ginagawa. Madali lang naman mag-vacuum. 10 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, tapos ka na. You know? To keep it nice and clean ba? Mag-vacuum ka lang, oh, tapos na. Look at this. Kailangan ko siyang punasan kayo. May mga alikabok. Pero mamaya na yan. Kasi time consuming din maglinis nito kasi maganon-ganon. No? Kailangan mo talaga siyang isa-isahin. So mamaya na yan after work. Or actually, dalhin ko kaya ito sa bathroom, no? Tapos i-shower ko ba? Parang ganun. Pero mamaya na. 9:31 na, oh. Bilis lang, no? Ilang minutes lang. May nagawa ka na. So, ano pa naman ako pupunta sa work, mga. May time pa ako mag-chill. Siguro magkape-kape muna, ganon. So, sure guys, mag-vlog lang ulit ako mamaya, no? So, cellphone muna ako mag-edit-edit ng video. Diba? Tapos na mag-work, oh. May kasama ako dito. Tapos lang din mag-work.
Hi.
Order kami guys kasi nagutom after lunch, after work. So pag order kami ng lunch special nila.
Minsan lang kasi mambagbang abot.
$7.99 lang naman.
Huwag nyo lang i-convert.
Cellphone kasi yung gamit ko kaya. Yan.
Magtubig lang kami sa budget mo kami.
Tubig lang kasi is healthy or wala lang talagang budget. Wala talagang budget o
Huwag ka na magdahilan dahil. Alam ko naman wala kang lapit dyan.
wala kasi kami pera kaya patubig-tubig lang. Pag makaluwag-luwag, then yun yung mag-coke.
Kaya dyan sa Pinas, para doors.
Pag dito, no joke, kailangan ko talagang magtubig. Kasi sumasakit yung sa balakang ko ba, kailangan ko ng more water. No joke, dai. Water talaga.
Is that good mo po?
So, nag-order na kami. Pakita ko na lang pag nandito na. Ready na. $7.99.
Mura ni kalipay dali tao.
Paras lang kami, oh.
Picture ming Jenny Pick eh. Wala ba may pic? Gwapa ka dito eh. Sabi niya, Marta na tarong di may
Ngayon.
mag-chopstick room.
Kaunta kay gutom ang mga person. Si Benji, di man guna siya buwan-uban mo nani.
Kasalahan.
Si Madam Benji, kung nanonood ka, sama ka next time. Ice cream.
Tingnan, just use ka na sila. Kasya naman.
Ice cream. Ang sarap ang ice cream nila dito guys. Sa Hulikaw. Pangalan.
Chocolate. Belgian chocolate.
2 pounds na lang, oh. Dito kami sa charity shop. Napili ka na dahil.
Ako siya dahil, pero ano siya dahil kanang... Oh, ganak na. Ma-safely sa ilalim ganit. So, ano siya? Init. I think that's the end of my shopping.
So, pumunta kami sa co-op ng kaibigan ko. So, nakita ko to sa clearance nila. Gamitin ko ito mamayang gabi. Tag 54 pence na lang. So, kumuha ko ng dalawa. Tapos, kumuha ko ng broccoli. Tapos, salad para sa work ni Dave. So, yung gagawin ko is maglista ako ng mga kailangan naming i-grocery shopping ba. Kasi kailangan kong mag-grocery shopping this weekend. Para wala akong makalimutan. Sulat ako dito. Ito. Tanggal ba ito? Ito yung gagamitin ko. Maglista muna ako ng mga kailangan ko. 4:03 na ng hapon. Si Kira, nandito na yung mga 20 minutes. Kasi meron yung meron kasi siyang choir today. So, sunduin siya ng kanyang lolo. So, I will see you na lang later, guys. Kasi muna ako, mag-concentrate muna ako ng aking mga kailangan isulat. Maganda yung panahon, pero medyo chilly pa rin siya. Okay, let's do this! lang na-miss kong mag-video okay ba? So, magkatakanta ako. Well, wala pa si Kira. Nakakamiss yung ganito sa Pilipinas ba? I came to you and never ran. Hoping you'd understand it's not the role I usually play. On. The past is over and gone. Give me a trouble of mine, you know it's true. I want you having you near me, holding you near me. I want you to stay and never go away. I love you tonight, it feels so right. Feels so right. Kira is back. Show what you got
What
there.
are you doing?
Look. Oop. Meron si Kirang certificate. Basahin ko. Kira is always a great example to others about being kind and considerate. Kira is a delight to teach. We are so lucky to have her in our class. May bagong teacher sila, Kira. Show this to Daddy because Daddy's on the way now,
Okay,
okay?
he won't.
Okay, and then Mommy's gonna
Hi
start.
guys, I'm going to show you how to make a phone case. So get some string and wrap it around you 10 times, then tie it in the middle, then cut the ends. So if you want to know how to make one, you're going to need a lot of pencils. And I mean a lot. When I say you're going to need some pencils, I mean this is the pencils I chose. Toy Story. I never watched Toy Story, but just making it. First of all, you're going to grab a pencil and pick a string colour. Any colour you like. Start and go a bit. Where's the start? Here we go. So, you're going to want to wrap it around the pencil. This is the bit that I hate. Be back. So we're back. And I want to tie it.
Some coffee? Okay. Well, I'm just gonna close the door. Thank you. Just wait till I'm done. So what sense did you lose? Taste? Oh no, I lost my sense of smell today.
Keep wrapping it.
After one smell, you're off, I'm done. You need to let it go. Drill. There's a fire in the science lab. We need everyone to evacuate in a calm but fast manner. Again, this is not a drill.
Where's the t-shirt?
Hello.
Dawa ba?
Hello, Grandpa.
Kira.
Mommy.
Yeah? Dawa ba? Okay. Di ba kumain kami ng kaibigan ko kaya hindi ako gutom. Sila lang yung nilutuan ko. You're welcome. Okay.